Hey guys, Volkswagen owners out there, this is a common issue out there, sagging headliner. Yep, sagging headliner, Volkswagen Jetta, and I'm just gonna replace it. As you can see, yep, and it's kind of dirty here as well. So I'm gonna show you how to replace. Your headliner on a Volkswagen Jetta 2006. I think all the models are the same, so I'm gonna show you how to actually remove it and put in a new one. Yeah, I don't know if they stuck this on with spit and hope, but it comes out, and also some burn marks. So I'm just gonna do it yourself, quick project. Yep, headliner. Great job, Volkswagen, great job. Okay, so the first thing you kind of want to do is actually remove the negative terminal on the battery, because we'll be opening the doors a lot, so you want to drain our battery. So just loosen up the negative and remove it. You're gonna need a 10mm. Yep, so you just want to remove your battery and lay it safely somewhere on the side while the doors will be open. So now that our doors, the battery is connected, our doors can be open, so that won't kill the battery. And now we're gonna remove these clips. There are screws behind these clips. Behind this one, behind this one, this one, and this one, and this one. There are clips all behind. As you can see, there's a screw all behind the airbag. But right there, and also you're gonna remove these clips from here as well as here. Remove the clips from this. Remove this. Remove this. These are clips right here that you want to remove everywhere, and also you're gonna remove this. Remove all this panel right here. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Do everything. So, a quick tip: you might wanna check and see if all your stuff is working before you actually remove it, so you know that you didn't break anything. So what you're gonna need help in this job is like a plastic trim tool remover. Definitely help you in removing this and all the other items. So this will be handy. You don't need it. You can get a flat head screwdriver and put some tape on it, but I'm gonna use this. So as I said, you wanna just take out these clips to get access to the screw, which is at the back of it. This is right here. And what you're gonna need is actually a T20. I got this screwdriver set from Walmart, and I'm just gonna remove it. You got your screw out. You want to take this and put it in a Ziploc bag to keep your stuff safely, so you won't lose any. Now you want to come and remove these clips on both here and here, so the slide is away. Also, you can also extend this back and you have access to this too. Yep, so now you want to get access to these clips. This clip is back. As you can see, you have access to this screw right here. So you just want to get this other clip out like this and have access to both screws, and use our same T20 to remove both of this. Got the screw out, put it back in the bag. Gotta get the next one, get that one out. This one has actually a washer. So you just want to remove your clips and just have them somewhere safe. Also try to bring this one down. This one actually where the connection is to the electrical, so might not do it after because it's kind of connected. Now we're gonna work on removing this panel right here. It's actually simple. It's this, then press this clip right in here. This opens like that. Press this on the side. Now we're gonna have two screws here, one here and one here. I'm gonna remove this. What you want to do, you want to have access to this area right here. So you just wanna the two clips right here. Just pry them inside. This will just drop down just like that. Kind of fell away, but rest the item safely. You don't want to damage nothing. Then you also have these T20 screws right here again. I'm recording this so it's good, so I know where every screw goes back. That's one screw, and here's the other screw. Got the other screw out. It's in the bag. Now you have access to this. It's when I clip it out. I actually disconnected already, so The connection wire is right here. I disconnected off camera, sorry about that. So basically got this, and let's place this on the side. Next we're going with these two T20 screws right here. This screw. Now you got the screws out, we can just safely remove this from here and just rest all of this on one side. I'm recording this as I said, so I know everything goes back, and this is the wire here I disconnected. It's for the back and this is for the front, so everything is safely put together. Now I'm going to go and just remove all the screws on every one across over there. I'm going to take away this one now. Pull it out into the bag. Gonna remove this one now. Okay, so this one is kind of like in there, so you're gonna need, well, my screwdriver can't fit, so I'm gonna get in there and turn it off. So I got it screwed out. You may need a magnet to actually pull it out, but I'm just gonna, it's loose from it, so I'm just gonna take my pry tool and just get in there. Yep, after a couple of minutes of prying out, I actually got it out, so I'm gonna slide it down below where get this free. Also retrieve your bolt. As you can see, this side, want to mix everything up. Also, what's a good idea is actually just place back these screws in the hole we took it from. You know, place this back over just like that. Safely secure it. Now I'm going to take our pry tool and try to pry this out as well. So when I get in, it's stuck on some clips. Try not to touch your airbags. You kind of want to apply some pressure because it's stuck on some clips, as you can see over there. I want to break none of these clips, so apply some pressure, but not too much pressure because you want to break none of this. Yep, and you got it out. You kind of want to remove this trim piece right here that's stuck on it. I'm gonna rest all the trim pieces back in. As you can see, these are stuck on some clips. It's just hook on, so you just, what's actually a good idea is to remove the clips that were left from this one right here, so you can place back in the holes. So just remove them and place them back, so it'll be easier when you're actually going to put it back in. So I just use a wrench and I just get behind it and just like that, and then you want to just insert it back into the slot like that, and just do the rest for the other two. Now we're going to remove the clips, the screws behind this. As you can see, it's kind of dirty, that's why I want to replace this. But pry this out, and two T20 screws at the back of this. Two screws here and here. Okay, got this first screw out. Now that we got it out, we're going to take a pry tool and just try to get it off. So we got this one out. It's like it just slides in from the bottom, so like this. And we got it out. Rest inside. So it's gonna be the same process. Remove these two clips and slide it out. Okay, so we got this one out, and we're just working our way around the car. Take this, but I'm also gonna remove this first. Basically, just use your pry tool and just try to get it. Trying to break the clips. Okay, so we got this out, but you want to make sure that the clips, you don't lose these clips, because you're going to put it back. And we're going to rest this right at the back over here while I fix everything out. Now we get access to this back one here, the same T20 screw. Remove it. Now we got a screw out. We'll take a pry tool and just, you kind of want to rip this, pry it out. Not try to break in the clips. And you can just leave it here because we're just going to slide this off to get it out. So you want to actually remove it completely. As I mentioned before, we're just walking away around the car, coming back to here now. The same procedure. Remove the clip, screw, and remove this. Okay, so we got this removed, just like the other one. As you can see, it's already beginning to come down. And just work our way around till we get back to the front, and eventually this whole you gotta remove this as well. So a quick note, guys, you want to remove. It's getting dark, but there's the screws that attach to this back area. You actually want to remove them, because something like this is attached to this. Yeah, guys, you're gonna want to remove some screws that are up here. Also got that, and this screw that is right here, it actually holds this whole black back plate in, so I'm gonna remove this one. They're all T20s, so I mentioned before we're just working our way around the car. So we remove this now, remove this, then get back to this. So remove this, and this, and we got it out. Just place all our parts exactly where on both sides where it will go. We got this out, we got this out. Now we're gonna remove the back light. So we're just gonna remove this. So basically it's just out this glass. So just like that, it's off. We have access to our bulbs, and also and now we want to look for our screws that we have to remove to get this out. Now they have access to this. We're just gonna remove both of these screws. So now they got this clip out. I'm gonna remove this, then leave this for last, because as you can see with this one, it just hangs right there. So remove this, just pry it out for pry tool, and there's also a clip, and remove it with the clip. So you want to leave this hanging, but you want to go outside and remove the clippings at your connection from this way, because you want to damage it. So you want to do, trying to get a good angle of it for you. You don't want to break your back in, so you want to go in with your hand. What you want to do is just unclip this from here and just allow it to fall down in, just like that. Remove this just like that and lay it right here. And you want to do the same for the other side. So you want to come in the pry tool. So you want to come, remove this from this side, and then remove the connection just like we did at the other side. If you disconnected, we just want to remove this. I'm also going to clean this. Also, just a quick note, you might want to remove your mirror before you damage it, so I'm going to rest it right here as well. I'm sorry the record pulled back out, but it just with some screws. Now we got it out, we're going to have to try to see this. Okay, now that's all the way out. Kind of getting dark, but all the connections are done. You gotta make sure everything is connected. And I think I might want to leave this for tomorrow because it's getting dark. And as you can see, there's no wires connected, and you don't necessarily need to remove these screws because you can just take it up from the top. So we got everything moved out, and we're gonna try to see if we can actually remove it from this door over there. And it's good to keep your seat up because it holds it in place while everything. But we're gonna play with our seats. I'm not removing the seats, so I'm gonna pull this back, the seats back, and try to get at the back door. And hey guys, as you can see, I'm missing my back seat cushion. You don't necessarily remove this to take out the headliner. I just took it out so I could clean it and extract it, so don't mind this. As you can see, the headliner is on the front down, and I'm just gonna see if I can style it out either from the front door or from the back door. So, and as you guys can see, I actually moved it, my seats way back down with my things missing. You just remove it, but I'm gonna see if I can just slide this through the back. You don't want to damage your paint, so I'm gonna try that method, or I'm gonna try the front door. But anyway, I'm gonna see whichever method works. I was actually told by someone that I'll actually need to remove the screen, the windscreen, to actually remove headliner, but I saw some other guys remove it, so I'm gonna try the move it from the door. tough. Okay, after, I won't lie guys, this is like a DIY, but this takes a lot of time because I didn't want to really damage anything. And as you can see, you definitely need to let me show you. You definitely need to like place like a piece of cloth on the dashboard because you want to scratch it, and also some interior panels. And I would suggest you remove the passenger seat, but mine got threaded out, so I can't remove it. So, but I got it out, just few, and this is how it looks without everything, the wire and everything's on it. And I'm just gonna make sure I don't break anything in removing it. So yeah guys, so that's how you remove your headliner on a Volkswagen Jetta. I'll be creating the next video on how to actually change the fabric and actually put new fabric. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks guys.